Well, get moving. It's important, especially for your heart health. This afternoon, we have Adrienne Bradley and Greg Braylock with us to talk more about some local partnerships aimed at improving heart health in our community. Thanks for being here today, folks.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. So we've got a couple of events coming up that are really focused on getting out and getting moving and getting walking. But let's talk about how important walking is. I mean, we're not talking about running a marathon or, even running a 5K for that matter, just walking.
Yeah, walking is really important. It's low impact and it's one of the best ways to improve your physical health.
Mm-hmm. And you're working with the Heart Association too on getting people moving, but you all work for ProMedica, right? So why this partnership here?
Yeah, it's logical, I think, for most people personally, and then definitely for us professionally. We talked about some of our personal stories before we hopped on air, and same thing, family history of all the cardiovascular diseases, and so taking action in this way personally is great for people and for me, but also ProMedica is here to improve health and well-being, and so knowing that cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of all Americans, it's something that we take very seriously in how we can help improve people's lives and save lives.
Yeah, and it can be simple. So as you mentioned, I was telling you about a year and a half ago now, I just went in for my routine physical and my cholesterol was just a little high, and it runs in my family and everybody in my family's on a statin, and I said, I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to do that. So I got myself one of these guys and I started tracking my movement, and I'm not a runner, but I do get 10,000 steps every single day. And I think it took about 6 months, a year, my cholesterol came back down to normal. Yeah. So, we could see that progress, and I think that's enough to keep us motivated, but we also have a couple of events coming up that can motivate us as well. So let's talk about the first one. That is National Walking Day. When is that?
Yes, April 3rd is National Walking Day, so we want everyone to grab a friend, grab an animal, get out and just, move.
Yeah, it's starting to get warmer, and we don't mind being outside, but as you mentioned, get your animal out there too. It's a great excuse to walk your pet, and we were showing some video too of the walk at Promenade Park with where you are, the headquarters, ProMedica's headquarters there. So April 3rd, mark that on your calendar because it is coming up, and we want everybody to just get out there and get walking. And then we have an actual heart walk coming up, and that is in May, right?
Yep, Sunday, May 19th.
And what's going on that day?
So that's really an opportunity for the entire community to come together and walk together. And so for people who are survivors of heart-related illnesses, for people who are walking in memory of others, or if you're just trying to stay healthy, stay well, and get motivated, it's a great opportunity to be around 1,000 few other people, all working towards the same goal.
Yeah, and that is just to be a little bit healthier, right?
Just to be healthier. And AHA is looking for folks that want to be captains. So if you're at a company, at your workplace, or have friends, you want to be a captain of a team, we encourage everyone to sign up.
And I think maybe even in a workplace, maybe you get some of your friends together after lunch, or walk around Promenade Park. Just encourage one another, because when we have somebody maybe by our side, either holding us accountable or just keeping us company, that might help a little bit too. So those two dates we want you to remember: April 3rd, National Walking Day. We're going to get out. We're going to get for a walk. We're going to go for a walk. And on May 19th is the Heart Walk. So is there anything else that you all wanted to add that you just want to make sure our viewers know about today?
No, nothing. Walking, sometimes it's hard to start out, but, doing it with someone, like you said, and improve your health significantly.
10 to 20 more minutes of walking for the whole country would save about 100,000 lives. So
there's a stat for you.
There you
So just get moving, and if you need somebody to help you track, these do help a little bit.
Yes.
I will say that. So thank you all for being here today, spreading this message. We are coming out now we're in March, so we're out of Heart Month technically, but we want to keep that message going all year round, don't we?
Absolutely.
Very good, folks. Thank you so much for being here today. We appreciate it. We'll be right back.